Hi, I'm Dr. Kathy Coyner, professor from UConn Health. I want to show you today how I use the Arthrex SurgeonVault in combination with the Synergy Vision imaging system to communicate with my patients after surgery. From a practical standpoint, what works really well for me is how streamlined this process is. I can export the case media wirelessly from the OR tower directly to my iPad and often have the patient's post-op report created before I even leave the operating room. That report includes intraoperative images and video, as well as a brief video explanation of the case from me, the rehab protocol specific to that patient, all combined into one secure digital report. The first thing I'll do is I'll find the QR code. I'll then link that to my iPad. It'll then ask me to join the network. I'll join that. It's now pairing from the tower to the iPad. Once it's paired, I will then hit export on the tower screen. I will go to my iPad, and you can see that they're now being sent over. I then disconnect, and then I'll be able to access the case media. Once I'm ready to create the patient report, I log into the SurgeonVault app and pull up the case. I then pull up the template that I want to use. For this particular case, this was a meniscus root repair. This automatically organizes all of the images and video in the way I like to present them. Here is a little personalized message to the patient, exactly what was performed. I can also create what's called a surgeon video. I just want to let you know that surgery went great. I'm getting ready to go talk to your family, but wanted you to know that we were able to repair your meniscal root. There's a procedure overview about the specific parts of the case. If it was something unique that you also want to add, just go to the library where you can easily add procedures or aspects of a case, and that will add it into your own template. I can link specific PT protocols, and this is where I find it to be really helpful for them to be able to share this with their physical therapist, so we're all working off the same information. So then if I go back up to the case media here, there's a lot of options from this screen where I get to the annotation part of this, and on the left-hand side you can see all the different annotations, but most easily I can just draw an arrow, and you have these pre-populated labels where I can then choose what to annotate. I can flip between images and videos extremely easily. I can see what my initial meniscus tear looked like and be able to explain that to the patient very easily. And then ultimately, when I feel that everything is annotated appropriately and I'm comfortable with how everything looks, I come back to this screen and I'm ready to send this report, and everything will get embedded into a secured email. For me, SurgeonVault is far more practical and secure than sending patients home with paper printouts that are often misplaced or never reviewed. I can tell when the patient actually has already opened their report. It really has unlimited cloud-based storage, and for me, it creates this powerful, organized library that I can use for teaching files as well as really high-quality presentations. Overall, integrating SurgeonVault with the Synergy Vision system has really made my postoperative workflow much more efficient and really has improved how I communicate with patients. Thanks for watching this video.